How to turn off in-app new followers notifications on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off in-app new followers notifications on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok, and here you will find profile. Click on it, and after click on it, click the storylines in top corner, and then click settings and privacy, and scroll down until you find push notifications. Click on it and click in-app notifications, and here you will find this one here, new followers. Just turn it off, click on it, and that's it. Now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.